welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clip-in install with the hair of Better Length Hair. They sent me their 3C4A Afro Kinky curly texture in the length 18 inches. Now I've already worn this hair, you guys, and let me tell you, this hair is the bomb. I'll show you guys what the hair looks like now. Honestly, it's like all dried up in a ball because I worn it and just threw it somewhere, but I'll show you guys what the clips look like. So this is one of the smaller clips. It comes in 9 pieces, so it comes with 4 short pieces like these and then 5 long pieces. The short pieces, of course, are to go up in the front, and the long pieces, of course, are to go around your perimeter of your head. So this is what one of the small ones look like. It comes with 2 clips, and I will say that these clips are very secure. I had this in, I believe, all day, and it was windy, and my hair was not going anywhere, let me tell you. So now this is what one of the longer pieces look like. Like I said, I've worn this before, so this is not what the hair looks like straight out of the pack, and this is what the clips look like. Typically for the longer wefts, they do come with a lot of clips just for the extra security. Not only do they give you 9 pieces, which is more than enough for a full head, they also give you like this little pack. I don't know if you guys can see. It comes with an extra clip in, some thread, and a little needle right there on the side, just in case one of your clip-ins fall out. I think that is such a smart idea, because what if they do? Like, what are you gonna do? I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and install these clip-ins for you guys. Now before I go ahead and install them, I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like underneath. So I already went ahead and braided my hair down and just twisted my leave out right here. I'll give you guys a close-up of what that looks like. So I just braided my hair down and tied it down in the back. This is what one side looks like, and this is the other side. Let me show you guys the back. I hope you guys can see. So I like to do mine overnight and then wake up in the next morning and, you know, take the twist out and stuff like that. I literally just did a 2-strand twist. That's it. Maybe put some gel on my edges, and that's literally it. I don't do anything else. Now I'm gonna try to put these clip-ins so that you guys can see what I'm doing, but it might be a little bit hard for me to see. So if you guys don't get a good look at the back, sorry in advance. I'm gonna try my best, to be honest. If I'm looking away in a different direction, I'm going to be looking in my mirror right here. So I'm going to try my best to give you guys some angles on what the clip-ins look like once I put them in, or like where I place them. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see. Guys, this is the finished result. I'm so happy with how it came out. I was a little bit worried because my hair is texturized and it's not 100% natural, and I was a little bit worried with it matching with my hair, but it blended perfectly. Like, I get so many compliments on this hair when I go out, especially on Instagram. When I posted this on Instagram, I got a lot of questions about this hair. I don't have any cons for this hair so far, since this is my second time wearing it. Barely shedded. When I washed it, it was perfectly fine, but I will give you guys an update eventually on how well this hair does. And if you made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And all of the information on this hair will be linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.